Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean here again with just an update on putting some airbag inside the rear springs on my 2008 Lexus GX470. Currently has the ICOM Stage 4 full suspension kit that rides very nicely, but it has a little bit of a squat to it when I get everything loaded down in the back. So I decided to add some airbags. Prior to this, I had sent in my old shocks. They had about 40,000 miles on them. One of them was starting to leak a little bit, so sent them both back to get them both repaired. It was about $700 for the pair, but that's about half price of what something would cost for new. When I had them all apart, I went ahead and put this little notch in there to make it easier to get to the top bolt on the shock. Otherwise, it's very difficult to do. With the shocks off, it was easy to go ahead and take out one bolt on the sway bar to let the rear differential hang down to allow the coil springs easily to come out. Once they were out, the top rubber bushing in the spring had to be cut back for the airbags to fit. So cut everything back except the last very top piece. I just used a little cutoff tool and then cleaned it up with a grinder so the bags had something smooth to set on. Then just put the damper back in the spring along with the airbag. The air line goes up through the top of the spring and the damper, and then that went over to a T. From there, I installed the air filler valve in the bracket that holds the electrical plug for the trailer. Yes, the truck is a little rusty. I am in the Midwest and lots of salt. Sorry about that. Once that was complete, this is what the bag looks like with 15 pounds of air in it. And then just put it all back together with the rebuilt shocks. And even with 30 pounds of air in the bags, the ride doesn't suffer hardly at all, and it definitely helps keep it level when it's loaded down. Overall, I'm very happy with it, especially for no more than it cost. It added maybe an extra hour to the whole project, and it's been working just fine ever since. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.